This is a video demo of a Haas TL-1. As you can see, this machine is, I'll say, in like new condition. No scratches on the glass. Original grease. Right now we're just going to start off with running the turret. This is a 4-post auto turret. This machine does have the red handles for manual operation. Now we're going to run the spindle. Right now that's 100 RPM. 500 RPM. 1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. Let's do a quick walk around the machine. Serial number of the machine is 3097304. Build date is 11/13. This does have the 4-station automatic tool turret. It's got the manual 8-inch chuck. It does have the enclosure besides the chuck guard. And again, it does have the manual red handles. And again, the options on this machine, it has the automatic 4-station turret. It's got a manual 8-inch chuck. We do have the enclosure assembly besides the chuck guard. And the story behind this machine, it was purchased for a school in 2013, and the class never materialized, so this machine never ran any parts. As you can see, again, you know, windows are clear inside and out. Alright, that will conclude our video on the Haas TL-1.